Hello students, welcome to today's class. We are going to learn how to solve an equation. There are three methods to solve an equation. First method is trial and error method. In trial and error method, we can substitute some values for the variable and verify if the left hand side and right hand side are equal or not. The value of the variable for which the left hand side and right hand side of the equation become equal is the required solution of the equation. Next method is systematic method. In systematic method, we can add or subtract or divide or multiply same quantity to both the sides of an equation without affecting the equation. Third method is transposition method. It is nothing but to change position of a quantity from one side of an equation to the other side. Now we are going to solve some problems from exercise 6.3. First question, solve by trial and error method. First operation, 5x plus 3 is equal to 13. Here we are going to substitute in place of x some values. For x is equal to 0, then in place of x we substitute 0 in the given equation. 5 of 0 plus 3 is equal to 13. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, 3 not equal to 13. Both the sides are not equal. Now substitute 1 for x is equal to 1. 5 of 1 plus 3 is equal to 13. 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 1, 8. 8 not equal to 13. For x is equal to 2, substitute in place of x, substitute 2. 5 of 2 plus 3 is equal to 13. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 is equal to 13. Here, both the sides are equal. So, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the solution. Of the given equation. Next subdivision, 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 4. Here we are going to substitute some values. For x is equal to 0, substitute in place of x, substitute 0. So 2 of 0 plus 5 is equal to 0 plus 4. 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 5, 5 not equal to 0 plus 4 is 4. For x is equal to 1. Substitute in place of x is substitute 1. 2 of 1 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 5, 7 plus 4, 5. So 7 not equal to. Substitute in place of x minus 1 in the given equation. You get 2 of minus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 1 plus 4. 2 minus 1s are minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 is 3. Minus 1 plus 4, 3. Since both the sides are equal, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. solution of the given equation. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 is the solution of the given equation. Next question, question number 2. Solve by systematic method and verify the solution. First solution, x minus 4 is equal to 21. Here we are going to add, since left hand side has minus 4, so we are going to add 4 on both the sides. X minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 21 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 will get cancelled. X is equal to 21 plus 4 is 25. Verify. Substituting x is equal to 25 in the given equation. 25 minus 4 is equal to 21. 25 minus 4 is 21 is equal to 21. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 25 is the correct solution. Next solution, 2 of x minus 2 plus 3 of 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. We can simplify this equation first. Multiply 2 inside, it will be 2x minus 4 plus 3 4s are 12 x, 3 minus 1s are minus 3 is equal to 0. Add x value separately. 2x plus 12x is 14x. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 is equal to 0. Since left hand side has minus 7, so we are going to add 7 on both the sides. We will get 14x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 7. Minus 7 plus 7 will get cancelled. 14x is equal to 7. To find the value of x, we are going to multiply 1 by 14 on both the sides. 14x into 1 by 14 is equal to 7 into 1 by 14. 14 will get cancelled. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14. X is equal to 1 by 14. Next we are going to verify using x is equal to 1 by 2 in the given equation. 2 of 1 by 2 minus 2 plus 3 of 4 into 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. We simplify, we get 2 of 1 minus 2 to the 4 by 2 plus 3 of, you can get cancelled, it will be 4 minus 2 side 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 2 of minus 3 by 2 plus 3 of 2 minus 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2 is equal to 0. 2 will get cancelled, and here 1 will get cancelled. So remaining value is minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. minus 3 plus 3, if we add, we get 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 is the correct solution of the equation. Next subdivision, 4 by 5 x plus 11 is equal to 1 by 15. Here we are going to subtract on both sides by 11. 4 by 5 x plus 11 minus 11 is equal to 1 by 15 minus 11. So plus 11 and minus 11 will get cancelled. 4 by 5 x is equal to, simplify, 1 minus 15 11s are 165 whole divided by 15. 4 by 5 x is equal to 1 minus 165. If we subtract, we get minus 164 by 15. Now we are going to multiply on both the sides by 5 by 4. 4 by 5 x into 5 by 4 is equal to minus 164 by 15 into 4 to 5 by 4. Now we will get cancelled. 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15, 1 4s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 4s are 4. X is equal to minus 41 by. Now we are going to verify x is equal to minus 41 by 3 is the solution of the given equation or not. For that we are going to substitute x is equal to minus 41 by 3 in the given equation. 4 by 5 of minus 41 by 3 plus 11 is equal to 1 by 15. Simplify, minus 164 by 5 3s are 15 plus 11 is equal to 1 by 15. Simplify, will be minus 164 plus 15 11s are 165 whole divided by 15 is equal to 1 by 15. Subtract, it will be 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 15. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both sides are equal. Therefore, x is equal to minus 41 by 3 is the correct solution of the given equation. Now we are going to learn question number 3. We are going to solve these problems by using transposition method. First subdivision, 5x minus 2 is equal to 3x minus 4. Here we are going to take this 3x into other side. If we take 3x into other side, we get minus 3x. So if if we take this minus 2 in the other side, you get plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x equal to minus 4 plus 2. If we add, you get minus 2. 2 we can take into other side. If we take 2 into other side, you get division minus 2 by 2. X is equal to minus 1. 1 will get cancelled. So x is equal to minus 1. Next subdivision. Subdivision number B. 16 minus of 2y minus 10 is equal to 2y minus, you supposed to multiply inside. 16 minus plus are minus 2y minus are plus 10 is equal to 2y, and then this minus 2y to take into other side, it will be 16 plus 10 is equal to 2y plus, take this minus 2y in the other side, you get plus 2y. Add this value, 16 plus 10, it will be 26. 26 is equal to 4y. 2y plus 2y is equal to 4y. Now 4 we can take into other side, it will be 26 by 4 is equal to y. Now common values we can cancel it. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 26. Therefore, y is equal to 13 by. Next subdivision. 3 by 4 minus 5x by 6 is equal to 9 by 11. Actually, we are going to find the value of x. So 3 by 4 we can take into other side. We get minus 5x by 6 is equal to 9 by 11. If we take plus 3 by 4 into other side, we get minus 3 by 4. Simplify. The minus 5x by 6 is equal to 9 into 4 minus 11 into 3 divided by 11 into 4 minus 5x by 6 is equal to 9 4s are 36 minus 3 11s are 33 all divided by 11 4s are 54 minus 5x by 6 is equal to 36 minus 33 is 3 by 44. 6 we can take it other side, it will be minus 5x is equal to 3 into 6 by 44. Common values will get cancelled. 2 we can cancel. 3 2s are 6, and then 22 2s are 44. Now we can take minus 5 to the other side. It will be x is equal to remaining values write down. 3 3s are 9 by 22 into. If we take minus 5 to the other side, you get 1 by minus 5. You multiply it. X is equal to minus 9 by next subdivision. Subdivision of D. X plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 6 by 5. We can take cross multiplications. So 5 of x plus 1 is equal to 6 of x minus 1. 5 multiply inside. 5x plus 5 is equal to 6 into x is 6x. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Now minus 6 we can take into other side. 5 plus 6. This plus 5x we can take into other side. You will get 6x minus 5x. 5 plus 6 is 11 is equal to 6 minus 5x is 1x. Therefore, x is equal to 11. Last subdivision. 3 of x minus 2 plus 2 of 2x plus 4 is equal to 5 of x minus 1 plus 16. Here we are going to find the value of x. 3 multiply inside, the 3x. 3 minus 2s are minus 6 plus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 4s are 8 is equal to 5 multiply inside, 5x minus 5 ones are 5 plus 16. X values add separately. 3x plus 4x minus the constant values are add separately. So 5x here will be, if we subtract minus 5 plus 16 plus 11. This constant values we can take into other side, and this 5x we should take into other side. 3x plus 4x plus 5x if we take into other side we get minus 5x. This remaining values we take into other side it will be 11 plus 6 minus 8. Add 3x plus 4x is 7x. 7x minus 5x is 2x is equal to 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. 2 we should take into other side, will be x is equal to 9, right? That's all. Thank you, students.